Let's sing about the birds we know, from the sky to the trees below. Listen close, we'll hear their song. Come along and sing along.
This is a parrot bright and green, talking bird you ever seen. It can mimic what we say. Listen to its call today. This is a sparrow, small and sweet, chirping in the morning heat. Brown and gray, it hops around. Hear the cheerful sparrow sound. This is an owl with eyes so bright, hoots away in the night, turns its head all around. Let's hear that hooting sound. This is a peacock, feathers grand, colors spread across the land, calls aloud, a beautiful sight. Listen to its call tonight. This is a duck with a quack, swimming in a pond, not looking back, flaps its wings and swims around. Quacking is its happy sound. This is an eagle, strong and free, soaring high for all to see, sharp and loud, its call resounds. Hear the eagle's mighty sound. This is a crow, so very smart. In the city plays its part, calls aloud both near and far. Listen to its call. This is a pigeon, calm and cool in the park. It's quiet, the jewel softly coos, a gentle tone. Hear the pigeon coo alone. This is a woodpecker, tap tap tap, pecking trees. With a little rap, rhythmic drumming, fast and slow. Hear the woodpecker go. This is a hummingbird, tiny and fast and speak quickly. It can't be surpassed, humming softly as it flies. Listen to the humming skies. Listen to the humming skies. This is a flamingo, pink and tall, standing on one leg and one paw, honking loud, a funny thing. Flamingos honk, let's hear it sing. Flamingo. This is a rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo, crows at dawn to wake up you. Bright and early, hear it crow, roosters call, we all know. This is a seagull by the sea, calling out, so wild and free, loud and clear it calls away. Seagull sound by the bay, seagull sound by the bay, seagull sound that way.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye bye.